First of all, I would like to thank the Emirates of Dubai and Terrapin for holding this conference. And it's a great honor and pleasure for our company to have an opportunity to present ourselves. In fact, this is the first chance for Earthstone of global exposure, which I hope may result in favorable acceptance by mining professionals and industry. So basically, what is Earthstone? I've been asked these questions since the early morning. And this is actually an exploration and mining company that has a portfolio of projects at different stages of development. We are focusing on iron ore, and we already have several large advanced stage assets for the same. And we also conduct active exploration and development of gold, base metals, rare earth minerals, and coal assets. So basically, this is a slide that shortly describes key highlights about our company. We have established as of this date 2.0 plus billion tons of iron ore reserves, iron ore resources globally. We have an established presence in Asia and over African continent. In fact, we started in Asia, in Indonesia, and we have a very good experience of fast-track management of mining projects. In fact, as an example, we started iron ore development in Indonesia from greenfield in May 4 years ago, and by September, our first shipment of iron ore was delivered to the nearby port. As to our management team, we have a very unique composition of management for a mining company. Our top management has a good experience in investment banking, and we also have a lot of people who have an experience in mining with the top world recognized mining companies. This gives us a very good advantage in vision in mining, and we are implementing it as we speak. Oh, sorry. It's the wrong button. This is just to make it a little bit more agitated. At the current stage, we have more than 40 concessions for iron ore in 7 countries of West Africa. We have established already JORC-compliant resources, and we have ongoing extensive drilling program that's over 25,000 meters. But one of the things that we made as being a businessman and having an experience in investment banking, we wanted to hedge our risks with different commodities. We also hedged our risk by running business in different parts of the world, but we decided to shift to different assets. So we are exploring gold in 5 countries, and we choose the fastest growing gold producing regions of the world. And also we shifted into base metals in 5 countries. In the base metals, we established 39 million tons of resources, with production planned in the next 2 years. I told that we already de-risked higher risk by commodities business with acquisition of low risk gold and precious metals assets. I mentioned already our experienced management team, and I just want to mention the companies of Vedanta, ArcelorMittal, Mahindras, and others. So what is the snapshot of our group? We are grouped into several business units, and here we have a presence with iron ore in Morocco, Mali, Mauritania, Guinea, Sierra Leone, Benin, Liberia, and Indonesia. Regarding gold, we are targeting of proving at least 25 million ounces of gold in the next 3 years, and we have presence in Mauritania, Burkina Faso, Mali, Sierra Leone, Zambia, and Indonesia. With the base metals unit is targeting of proven resources of 2,000 million tons with 3% cut-off grade, and we are present in Morocco, Mauritania, Zambia, Indonesia, Mozambique, and Guinea. We also started in the very early development of coal and energy business unit, which somehow fits with iron ore business unit due to common buyers for coking coal, coal and iron ore. Let me speak a little bit about iron ore. Iron ore is a prime mineral for our Earthstone group, and we started actually our business with mining of iron ore in Indonesia. And this is one of the things that I want to pinpoint, which is characteristic for our company. We are liking to get challenges. For example, we came to Indonesia, and in Indonesia, mostly people are oriented towards coal. Iron ore, basically maybe 80% of people think that Indonesia doesn't have iron ore. We proved that there is a good iron ore potential in Indonesia. We started production, although it was not a big production project, but it gave us opportunity as a test bed for implementing our activities in organizing mining from greenfield to production. That means that now we possess an experience of doing this business in any part of the world with right people and right procedures. As I told earlier, we have an ambitious target of proving 4.0 billion tons of JORC-certified iron ore resources by the next year and 8.0 billion tons in 2 years. One of the projects that we are developing with high potential is in Morocco. We have a 3,000 meters drilling program underway, 1/3 already complete, and this is another experience of our fast-track project execution. I would say that actually our road was not very rosy, and we experienced a number of setbacks, and these setbacks were good lessons for us to choose the most feasible projects and to choose the most feasible ways of execution of these projects. We also have 2 billion tons of resources established in multiple projects in Mali and Mauritania. So, as a continuation of the presentation of previous speaker, I would like to illustrate our abilities of fast-track target production in Morocco. We started in May this year in Morocco, and if you look at this diagram, you'll see our achievements and our future plans. That in the first quarter of next year, we are looking for commercial production for this highly profitable project, as we hope, in Morocco. This is done only with supportive mining environment in Morocco. Morocco is a very interesting country. In fact, if you look at the latest report of the World Bank of Ease of Doing Business, which was released maybe 2 or 3 days ago, and if you look at all MENA countries, the only one country that made a significant step forward in the last year is Morocco, moving very, very highly in both in ease of doing business and investor protection. So here are some pictures that prove that I'm not talking about some fancy project. These are exploration projects, and these are pictures from our mine fields. This is a drilling progress that is going one of our projects in Africa. We also possess 3 chemical labs on sites. Actually, 2 of them are already operational, and 1 is being commissioned as I speak here. This is pictures of our Indonesian mine operations. There's one of them. And let me speak a little bit about base metals business unit. We are developing copper, cobalt, lead, zinc, chrome, nickel, and rare earth minerals project in Zambia, Mauritania, Mozambique, Guinea, and Indonesia. We actually now conducting feasibility study to set up a zinc concentrate plant with silver as byproducts underway. And we have 200 million tons of proven resources of JORC compliant for various base metals targeted in the next 3 years. Our gold business unit is conducting business in Burkina Faso, Mali, Sierra Leone, Liberia, and Mauritania. We have 7 concessions in Mali and Burkina Faso, and 25 million ounces of proven resources are targeted in the next 3 years. Coal and energy, this is a new thing for us. We try to leverage developing assets in coal to leverage benefits from rising power needs of developing countries. We are exploiting some coal properties in Mali, Botswana, Indonesia, and Mozambique, and now we are in the process of evaluating a joint exploration program with industry leader for accelerated paths to establish resource and move to production. Here you see our offices around the world, and summarizing my brief presentation, I just want to explain why we are here and what we want to achieve by presenting at this conference. First of all, as I told you, this is a first chance for us to get an exposure in the world mining community as a quality player. We are striving to challenge existing mining stereotypes about mineral and mining industry in the developing world by introducing quality projects in unexplored areas. These are examples very clear. As our previous speaker was discussing Morocco, and he never mentioned iron ore. But we are doing iron ore project in Morocco. We are doing iron ore project in Mali, which is well known to the world as the major gold production. We did iron ore project in Indonesia that is very less known in the country. We also want to meet here with the government officials and executives of major government institutions to explore opportunities for expansion of our business to MENA countries. As we have a good record of an experience of fast-track implementation of projects, we are looking forward to discuss for new opportunities. And we want to demonstrate our selected project and show this ability and experience in timely and effective execution of projects to commercial production in MENA countries. And this is a slide that you already saw. Thank you very much for your attention.